If your business relies on phone calls and you have a Google Ads campaign, then you need to keep watching this video because your phone calls from your potential customers might just stop. No warnings, no emails on the day, just fewer phone calls than none. And most business owners won't realize why until it's actually happened. Now, by the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly what Google is removing, why it affects certain businesses more than others, and the exact change you need to make to avoid phone call leads or even more getting missed because you're not getting the phone call because your Google Ads campaign has not been set up properly. I'm going to be telling you the exact question that you need to be asking your marketing agency today. So keep watching. So just to be clear, this video is for you if your best customers prefer to phone call you, not filling in forms, inquiry forms and booking forms. This video is for you if most of your sales happen after a phone call conversation. This video is for you if your Google Ads are mainly there to make your phone ring. Now, if none of these apply, you can probably click off right now. Now, let's move on. Most businesses think Google Ads fail because bad keywords, bad budgets, or bad agencies. And that's not what breaks Google Ads accounts anymore. What breaks them now is out of date setups in Google Ads that quickly retires. So basically the accounts are not being kept up to date with the latest things that Google are implementing into their Google Ads platform. Now, that's exactly what's happening here. Google has confirmed call-only ads are being deprecated. They're being removed. They're not going to be tweaked. They're not going to be improved, but actually removed. They're being replaced by something that sounds quite familiar, but behaves in very different ways. And it's called responsive search ads with call assets. Now, this mostly affects businesses where a phone call converts better than anything else. Now, for example, of the types of industries this is going to affect is maybe solicitors and law firms, emergency trades, home improvement trades, dentists or private clinics, car garages and MOT centers, estate agents, plumbers, and the list just goes on. So if trust and emergency matter, then phone calls matter to your business. And that's where the risk is. Let me give you an example. Recently we looked at a law firm's Google Ads account, and they were heavily reliant on incoming phone calls from their Google Ads campaign. In fact, as lawyers are not Google Ads expert, they didn't even know they were using Google Call Only extension, as their marketing agency had not told them about it. Incoming calls converted really well. Everything looked really fine. So everything on the face of it looked really fine. But when we looked deeper into it, their landing page was barely doing anything. There was no clear call to actions for phone calls. There were no trust signals. There were no support for users who did not call immediately. Now, if Google had switched off the call only ads tomorrow, then their leads would have fallen off the cliff. Not because demand disappeared, but because the setup wasn't really there for the new system which Google has now implemented. So ask yourself this question: has your marketing agency already spoken to you about this change? If not, then that's a red flag in itself, because this isn't optional. It's not a minor change. So let me be blunt for a moment. If your call-only ads are performing well right now, that's actually when you're most exposed, because nothing feels broken, right? Everything seems as though it's working fine. And Google doesn't really wait for you to be ready. So here's the timeline. February 2026, new call-only ads won't be able to be created anymore. So you won't be able to create call-only ads. But then in February 2027, existing call-only ads will actually stop showing, meaning your phone calls may just come to a sudden stop. And that's it. The danger isn't the change itself. The danger isn't the change itself. It's the call assets you rely on, your landing pages, your ad copy, your ad structure. So call-only ads let people ignore all of that because responsive ads don't. Now, weak setups don't just underperform, they'll break your business. So this is a clear way to transition without losing calls. But it has to be done correctly. It has to be done in the right order. In a nutshell, move to responsive search ads. Add call assets properly. Fix your landing pages before switching. Track calls correctly. Test before Google forces this change. Now, if you skip all these, then your calls might just dry up and you might just think that, hey, why have our incoming calls fallen off the cliff? Now, if you want help with your Google ads, or you want us to help implement these alternative strategies to what's going to replace call-only ads, then what you should do is just drop a comment below saying calls, and then a member of our team will get in touch with you and we'll send you out the complete guide into exactly what you've got to do. So there'll be a link in the description as soon as you put a comment called calls, and it will take you to a guide whereby you'll be able to work out exactly the process that you need to do. So do get in touch. And if you like this sort of video whereby we're helping you to implement Google Ads strategies to get you more leads, more conversions, then please, there'll be a link in the description below. Click on it, book a call with us, whether you're a law company or a dentist or whichever type of business you are. If you rely on phone calls, then if you're running a Google Ads campaign, you need to book an audit to make sure that your business is not going to suddenly dry up because your phone calls have just fallen off the cliff. Guys, if you like this type of content, do hit the subscribe button, because most people who look at this type of content are not subscribed. So it'd be great if you just hit the subscribe button, sign up to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now.